that was the first creek crossing. Coming up for the second. And here comes the third one. Oh, so nice to be back. It's been ages. I don't know how many months it's been. I've been looking forward to this for so long. I've been desperate to build something, and I'm going to be building my own design hut to store all of our stuff and get out of the mud. So, arrived on Die Happy safely, and tomorrow we start the build. It is a beautiful day here today. Blue sky, sun is shining. I hope it lasts, but I don't think it will because the forecast is rain and more rain for at least the next week. So, might be a wet few days. This is a trail camera from the board. It's got kind of infrared movement detection and takes pictures at night and stuff like that for wildlife, but it also does time-lapse. So I'm going to set it up on a tripod and time-lapse the build of the hut. Oh, after all that rain, finally a bit of sun. I'm just sunning myself, getting warm, getting dry. It's nice. Woohoo! I'm really happy with it. Although it does look like a bird hut. Woohoo!
You just sounded like a bird.